That's right.
When it's red up there, it's filming. If it's not red up there, it's not filming. Okay, here's our cone cover. Here's a cam. It's hard to check in plays and stuff with the seal already in there. Okay, so that's our bushing fit. It's a little loose, but okay. We're going to check our pinion bushing. Doesn't fit. A little jiggle jiggle, a little jiggle jiggle. It'll work. That was a precision check. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. We were setting this motor up a little bit loose for the fact that I'm
It's called used.
gonna beat the down piss out of it.
It's not new either.
Yeah, those are all new.
They're not new.
Those bushings are new. We pressed them in.
That's not makes them new. And makes them new is after you fit them. Find your gasket yet?
We gotta go upstairs and get one.
Gotta go upstairs to get one.
Oh, there we go.
You know why that gasket's there? It's a lock-up gasket. You might turn into your gasket though. Ooh, that fell in there. Okay. Is that the right bolt?
I like these ones.
The right bolt?
Mm-hmm.
How do you tell the right bolt from the wrong bolt?
That one needs to be longer. Longer. That one's definitely not it.
That ain't the one? What's wrong with that one? You know what happens if that bolt's too long? What happens if this bolt's too long? It shuts up an oil gallery.
Yeah, you push into the oil pump gallery.
Mm-hmm. So you gotta find something that's shorter.
Right there. Got it.
That's not long enough, see. You need that one that's an 1/8 inch longer. You know what the difference between these two bolts are? This is a 1/4 inch longer and this one. We need an 1/8 inch longer. See, that's too long. Might work. This one's too short. Might strip. Where's the one that's just right? It looks like that one again. How about this one? That's too short. How about that one? That's way too short.
Way too short.
How about this one over here? That one's too short also. Okay, you're missing one we need. What's this one? That looks like it's too short also. So I need to find the one that's longer. How about this one? That's long. That's pretty long, but it'll probably work. This one's too short. Okay, so you need one that's longer and one that's shorter than those two bolts. Same length, I just did that. Go find me one that's longer and shorter than that one. Don't take, what are you doing? How do you know what longer and shorter this one is if you don't take it with you?
One that's longer than this and one that's shorter than this?
Yeah. 1/8 inch. The heater's working again. Oh, it's a 4-bore again. All right. Thing shut off on us. What do you got?
There's one that length. There's the longer one.
That looks like the same one you already have.
And there's the shorter one. That is not it.
This one's a long one. Same as these ones right here. So you got a bunch of these. See? So these are all the same?
Mm-hmm.
So this is not shorter than one you had. It's the same length as the one you had. See, that one is too short. So where's the one that's longer and shorter than this one? 1/8 of an inch. Don't give me the same one again. He's trying to trick me. He did that on purpose.
Okay, there's one that's shorter.
Let's see. Okay,
Looks like the 1/8 inch.
That looks like the correct one. Bingo! We have a winner. could use another one of those maybe, but we'll see if this one will go
Here's
in.
the longer one.
That might go in longer. You sure it's longer?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that, it's longer. Okay, this one here, we're not sure if it's going to bottom out or not, so we got to make a double check. That's pretty damn, got a lot of threads there.
Pull that one out.
Same as that one.
Is it same as that?
Yes, it's the same as that one. If I had another one of these, I'd use it.
Another one of these?
Yes, but don't lose that one, we need it.
This one's just a hair shorter.
Yeah, I know. We either got shorter or longer. Okay, well, we'll find out. Okay, go get rid of those. Got a big thick washer here too. What's this big thick washer for? That's for a late model motor.
That's for an oil pump, huh?
That's for a late model motor they're doing something for. Alright, get this junk out of here. Oh, extra junk. Okay, where's your spinner tool? Here. Where's your spinner tool? This one bottom out. You got tight right there. It's the washer down, or the threads got tight. Washer feels tight. So the washer's loose. See how the washer's tight? That means the bolt didn't bottom out. It means to tighten the cover down. Just because the bolt's tight doesn't mean the cover's tight. Okay, now we do all these other ones. I feel like they got glue in these threads. That's good. That one's good. Good. That one's good. All right. That's all good. Cam's pretty tight. See the clearance?
Mm-hmm.
How much clearance is that?
Should be 16 to 18.
Where'd you get those numbers from?
The book.
The book says 1 to 52.
1 to 52.
Yeah.
5200s or thousands.
This is pretty tight. See, it doesn't go clunk clunk. It's got a little small click click maybe, but it's real thin. A little bit tight. How much clearance is that?
I think I have a smaller shim. Matter of fact, I know I do.
What's the clearance on that? What are you looking for?
I was looking for my other cam shim.
Find it yet?
I fucking brought one. No, I haven't found it yet.
You sure? About down there in the junk pile.
This is empty.
On the box, it's got covers on it. Now the shim changes with the gasket thickness, so if you have a different gasket, it'll be a different thickness. Alright, I measured 3 thou. So you take your 3 thou and you run it down in there. There it goes. 3. Might be 4, but it ain't no more in fact. The 3 went in. Either way, I want 8 to 12 at least. So we need at least 5 thou more. So we need a 5 thou less shim. And this gasket will compress when it sets in. An oil pump. What's that? The nut. The bolt spacers.
I believe that's for the newer style pinion, right?
Fine thread, kind of. Yeah. Late model.
This is for my blown up motor.
Late model junk.
See how much shorter that one is?
That's because it's a slip-on. See, same size on both sides. These are tapered. Different. Hey, you're in my way. Move. My cameraman retarded. The cameraman's retarded. There's a head on the floor. Yeah, junk head down on the floor. There we go. Alright. We got work to do. Retard.
You got a brush in this tank?
What? Not the dirty tank. It's a clean tank. Okay. There's 4 at. There's 4. Four don't go in. 3.5. You got 3.5 though. Not torque. Ooh, that's cold out there. Put the hose back where it goes. Hose back where it goes. Hose don't go in the door.
I know.
We'll put it behind the door where it belongs. There you go. Amazing how that works.
I know where it goes. Just fucking.
I don't use an engine stand. It works better not to have one. Where's your washer? Where's your round washer?
Which one are you talking about?
Big fat round one. Where to go? 62. That ain't it. Toward that gasket, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking at you, not me. That ain't from the head, is it? This one's 67. That's 5 thou bigger, not less.
I don't have any more of these.
This is 65. We need a 60.
Fuck, I brought an extra one. I thought it was a thinner one too, but I don't know where the hell it's at.
Yep, need a 60. So you have a junk pile laying around. You look through your junk pile so you find a 60 in here. There's a lot of junk in this junk pile. Sometimes there's usable stuff in there. Some people come by and clean all this up for me and help me out. Then I lose my junk pile. I don't have a washer in this junk pile though. Alright, we're gonna go find some junk washers. We'll be back.